Web browsers haven't changed in years. Or have they? Meet Ladybird, the new browser that's taking on big tech with nothing but raw code and a vision. This isn't just a browser, it's a revolution. Imagine a browser built entirely from scratch. No Chromium, no Firefox, not even WebKit. That's Ladybird, a web browser and engine developed by Andreas Kling, the mastermind behind Serenity OS. Ladybird is the result of the open-source community's dream to create a browser that's fast, secure, and absolutely free of corporate influence. It's like finding a rare, handcrafted gem in a sea of mass-produced, cookie-cutter browsers. The story starts with Serenity OS, a hobbyist operating system that's more of an art project than anything else. But then, Andreas Kling decided to take it to the next level. Why not build a browser? Fast forward, and here we are. Ladybird is built on its own engine, which is practically unheard of in today's landscape dominated by Chromium. It's like trying to grow your own veggies when everyone else is shopping at the same grocery store. Why build a new browser engine from scratch? It's simple: control and innovation. Most browsers today rely on Chromium, meaning they're all bound by Google's decisions. Ladybird, however, is built with total independence. The team is free to innovate without worrying about compatibility with massive codebases they don't control. It's like designing your own car instead of just adding new features to an existing model. The possibilities are endless, and so are the challenges. Now, building something this ambitious takes serious cash. Enter Chris Wanstrath, GitHub's co-founder, who dropped a cool $1 million to fund this project. Why? Because he believes in a future where the web is controlled by users, not corporations. This funding means Ladybird can stay non-profit, focused purely on making a better browser, not on selling your data or bombarding you with ads. It's like Kickstarter, but with fewer gimmicks and more real impact. So what makes Ladybird special? First off, it's designed for speed. This thing loads web pages like it's late for a meeting. It's also built with security in mind, implementing strict sandboxing and other modern security features that put user safety first. And don't forget about privacy. Ladybird doesn't track you. No creepy ads following you around, no selling your browsing history to the highest bidder. It's just you and the web. Plus, the interface is sleek, minimalist, and highly customizable. You can tweak it to your heart's content, which is something that's increasingly rare these days. One of the best parts? Ladybird is open source. Anyone can contribute, whether you're a coding newbie or a seasoned developer. This isn't just about building a browser, it's about creating a community. Developers from around the world are already pitching in, squashing bugs, and adding new features. It's like a digital barn raising, where everyone comes together to build something greater than the sum of its parts. But let's be real, this isn't going to be easy. Competing with giants like Chrome and Firefox is a monumental task. Ladybird's team is small. The project is young, and the road ahead is filled with technical challenges. They have to build compatibility with a web that's increasingly complex, while also staying true to their principles of privacy and user control. It's like David versus Goliath, but with code. Can Ladybird truly offer a better experience, or will it be crushed under the weight of the web's massive expectations? So, why should you care? Because Ladybird represents something that's becoming rare in tech, a product built not to maximize profits, but to maximize user experience. It's about taking control of your browsing, supporting a project that values privacy, and being part of something that could reshape the internet as we know it. If you're tired of being just another data point for big tech, Ladybird might just be the fresh air you've been waiting for. Ladybird is still in its early days, but it's already making waves in the open source community. Keep an eye on this one. It might just become your next favorite browser. And remember, the web should belong to the users, not the corporations. That's what Ladybird is all about. If you enjoyed this breakdown, don't forget to like and subscribe. Hit the bell to stay updated on the latest in tech, and let me know in the comments, will you give Ladybird a try? See you in the next one.